Soft whispers of the breeze, the world's at peace. Moments like these, our worries cease. In the calm of the day, we find our grace. Sunday morning light, a warm embrace. Sunday morning, take it slow. Let the peaceful moments flow. Feel the warmth that has set you free. Sunday morning, come and rest with me. Pages of a book, stories unfold. Wrapped in a blanket, escaping the cold. Gentle tunes play on the stereo. In a Sunday morning, we let the time go. Soft whispers of the breeze, the world's at